Afternoon all. Welcome to video 9 of my journey on ClickASnap. A few stats, bit to tell you about what's going on the site, and a few figures to show you. So first of all, day 108, and we're not doing too bad. As you can see, you know how this works. If you've seen the other videos, basically I've made $527 from views alone, and then sales I've had £9.30, £9.30 in sales. Things are going up, as you can see, so it's going in the right direction. Still getting hits, still getting likes, which is all very nice to see. So there's a few changes coming up that I know of. One of them I've already had a look at, and it's in the shop. Now I can't show you on this one, but I've been speaking to Tom and asking him a few questions about what we're like for turnover, as in not like pricings or like that, just how many hits we're getting. And year on year the site's 71% up on this time last year, so that just shows that the site is growing and growing quite rapidly. Now if you're on Facebook and you've seen some of their things on there, people are saying that it's a scam. It's not a scam. It's basically, it's not a pyramid system neither. Yes, you get paid for views. Yes, other members can view your things and help you get paid for views, but if you abuse it, obviously, then, you know what I mean, that's a different matter. So by liking other people's work, you know what I mean, you've got subscribers, people who subscribe to you. You've got subscriptions, people you subscribe to. You know what I mean? So you can just have a look, go through things. You know what I mean? It's one of them things. For me, if you put the effort in and just pop on, have a look at the activity, have a look at what's new and what's recent and stuff like that, and basically just like a few things, you know what I mean, it's not going to harm. I mean, you do get all sorts on here. That's a nice image. Mike Clark's underwater photos. It's quite nice, that. Decent camera as well, Nikon. Sorry, all you Canon and Sony people out there. I am a Nikon user, but here, that's me. So there you go, guys. There's not much else to tell you. I mean, they're the figures. We've now got 291 people following me. I've had over 5,500 views on my photos, 3,700 likes on my photos, like I say, and $527, which converts to about 422, and that's what I'm using the conversion rate at, 1.3 to a pound. So there you are, guys. Hopefully the next one I do, I might be doing the thing of the new shop, but we'll have to wait and see. So until next time, like I said, short and sweet. I'll speak to you all soon. See you later, guys. Bye.